Welcome to Beyond Buzz. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. Its vastness stretches beyond our comprehension, filled with mysteries that challenge the limits of our imagination and understanding. For as long as humans have existed, we've looked up at the night sky, our minds filled with questions. We've wondered if we are alone, if there is meaning in the patterns of the stars, or if the cosmos holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Across generations, people have gathered under the stars, peering through telescopes, sharing stories, and dreaming of distant worlds. The night sky has always been a canvas for our hopes and our curiosity. Driven by that curiosity, we've sent robotic explorers to our planetary neighbors, hoping for a sign, a message, or even a faint whisper from another world. Mars, the red planet, has always been at the center of this quest. Today, on October 27, 2025, something extraordinary has happened. Mars has finally whispered back, breaking its long silence with a message that has stunned the world. News from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has electrified the scientific community and captured the imagination of millions. The announcement has sent shockwaves through every corner of the globe. This isn't just another routine data point or a minor discovery. What's been found is a profound mystery, one that defies easy explanation and demands our full attention. For decades, we've scoured Mars for any sign of life, searching ancient riverbeds and dried-up lake beds for clues. We found hints, traces of water, chemical signatures, and tantalizing possibilities. But the latest data from Perseverance is unlike anything we've seen before. It's so unexpected, so out of place, that it challenges everything we thought we knew about Mars and its history. This is not a misinterpretation, nor is it a trick of the light, or a glitch in the data. The evidence is clear, compelling, and confirmed by multiple sources. High-resolution images and a suite of scientific instruments have all verified the finding. The data is consistent, and the anomaly is real. What we're seeing on the Martian surface simply shouldn't be there. It's an enigma that stands out against the familiar red soil, defying our expectations. This discovery is a paradigm shift. It forces us to ask questions that, until now, belonged only in the realm of science fiction. What is this object? How did it get there? Could it be evidence of something, or someone, beyond our world? The cosmos has chosen Mars as its stage for a new and profound mystery, inviting us to look deeper and question more boldly than ever before. Around the world, scientists are glued to their screens, anxiously awaiting the next transmission from Perseverance. Every new image, every bit of data, could hold the key to unraveling this cosmic puzzle. This isn't just another rock or mineral deposit, it's something that stands apart from the ordinary geology of Mars. A true anomaly that demands explanation. It's a genuine anomaly, a cosmic question mark etched into the Martian soil, challenging us to solve its riddle. The journey to answer this call has only just begun. Perseverance will continue its mission, venturing further into the unknown, guided by our collective curiosity and determination. The red planet now has our undivided attention. Its secrets are no longer silent, and its mysteries are calling out to us across the void. The world is watching, united in wonder and anticipation, as we await the next chapter in the story of Mars, and perhaps the story of life itself. What did NASA find? Let's travel to Elysium Planitia, a volcanic plain on Mars. Here, Perseverance discovered a near-perfectly smooth dark monolith, 3 meters tall, 1 meter wide, rising from the ground. Its surface is polished, reflecting sunlight with an alien luster. The object's sharp edges and geometry are unlike anything seen on Mars. Mastcam-Z first spotted it, and the mission's software flagged it as a high-priority target. SuperCam's analysis revealed a metallic alloy, iron and nickel, but with never-before-seen ratios. Ground-penetrating radar shows it's not part of a larger structure. It ends just below the surface. It stands alone, embedded in Martian soil, with no geological context. A phenomenon without precedent. Why is this so puzzling? Nature doesn't create perfect geometry on this scale. Mars's forces sculpt and erode, but they don't make objects with flat surfaces and razor-sharp angles. The monolith's alloy is unnaturally pure, suggesting manufacturing, not natural formation. Scientists have run every simulation and checked every database. No natural model fits. Mars's winds should have weathered it, yet it stands pristine. It's either incredibly young or impossibly durable. There's no impact crater, no debris, no sign of a violent arrival. The ground is undisturbed, as if it was placed there gently. This absence of evidence is itself a clue. We're left with a clean, glaring anomaly. It forces us to confront the limits of our knowledge. The mystery is undeniable. Our fascination with Mars is ancient. From imagined canals to robotic explorers, Mars has always been a beacon for curiosity. NASA's journey began with Mariner flybys, then Viking landers searching for life. Rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have rewritten our understanding of Mars. Perseverance, the most advanced rover yet, is now at the center of the greatest Martian mystery. Decades of exploration have led to this moment. When the first images appeared at JPL, the control room fell silent. The air was thick with anticipation, every eye fixed on the screens as the data streamed in from millions of miles away. For a moment, time seemed to stand still, as if the entire world was holding its breath alongside the scientists. Dr. Eris Thorne, the lead scientist on the mission, could only whisper, "That's not possible." His words barely carried across the room, but their weight was unmistakable. The impossible had just become real and no one knew what to say. The scientific community is stunned, excited but shocked. News of the discovery spread like wildfire through the halls of NASA and beyond, igniting a mix of disbelief and wonder. Scientists from around the world began to tune in, eager for any scrap of information. NASA's Pamela Melroy soon stepped up to the podium and announced, "We have found something remarkable on Mars." Her words echoed across the globe, instantly making headlines and sparking a frenzy of speculation. Teams are working around the clock to analyze the data. Every detail is scrutinized, every pixel examined, as researchers race to understand what they're seeing. The labs are alive with energy, even in the dead of night. The object's artificial appearance is undeniable, but wild speculation is avoided. Scientists know the stakes are high, and they tread carefully, determined to separate fact from fantasy. Geologists scramble for natural explanations, but every theory hits a wall. The usual suspects, erosion, volcanic activity, wind, fail to account for what's been found. The mystery only deepens with each new hypothesis. Nature is clever, but it has rules, says Dr. Elena Vance, a planetary geologist. She gestures to the data, her voice steady, but her eyes betraying her awe. This doesn't fit any of them. This object appears to break those rules. Its structure, its symmetry, its placement, all defy what we know about natural processes on Mars. Occam's razor offers no simple answer. The simplest explanation is elusive, and every new piece of data only adds to the puzzle. The possibility of a manufactured object, or even a relic of a lost civilization, is now on the table. For the first time, scientists are forced to consider ideas once reserved for science fiction. The questions are bigger than ever. In the silence of the control room, the universe seems to whisper back, daring us to seek the truth behind the mystery on Mars. Science demands we exhaust natural explanations first. Some suggest the monolith is a rare volcanic formation, but its shape and alloy don't fit. Others propose cementation and erosion, but the composition and polish remain unexplained. Could it be an interstellar visitor? Like Oumuamua? Unlikely, given its perfect shape and upright position. Every natural theory requires a chain of improbable events. The longer it defies explanation, the more plausible a manufactured origin becomes. The universe may be stranger than we can imagine. We must keep searching for answers. But the mystery only deepens, and the world waits. This discovery has already changed everything. The monolith is more than a curiosity, it's a cultural touchstone. The Mars sample return mission is now more urgent than ever. There's immense pressure to bring back a piece of the monolith. Imagine analyzing it on Earth, unlocking secrets of age, origin, and purpose. The drive to send humans to Mars has intensified. The question is no longer why go, but how soon. The monolith is a shared mystery, uniting humanity in wonder. We are all crew members on this tiny blue spaceship. The grandest adventures are the ones we undertake together. The story of the Martian monolith is just beginning. What lies beneath its silent, enigmatic surface is a mystery that has captured the imagination of people across the globe. This is not just another chapter in space exploration, it's the dawn of a new era, one that could redefine our place in the universe. Perseverance will probe, scan, and analyze every inch of the object, using its advanced suite of scientific tools to uncover secrets hidden for eons. Every measurement, every reading, could bring us closer to understanding the origins and purpose of this monolith. The world's brightest minds will scrutinize every byte of data, collaborating across continents and disciplines. teams of geologists, astrobiologists, and engineers will work tirelessly, piecing together clues from millions of miles away. The answer could come tomorrow, or take years. The search for truth is a test of patience and perseverance, a journey that demands both curiosity and resolve. It could be a geological marvel shaped by ancient Martian forces, or a cosmic traveler that journeyed across the solar system to rest here. Or perhaps it is proof we're not alone, a message from another intelligence waiting to be deciphered. Whatever the truth, the world is watching. People everywhere are united in wonder, hope, and anticipation, following every update and discovery as history unfolds before their eyes. Mars is no longer just a distant planet. It's a destination holding the answer to one of our oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? The red planet now stands as a beacon for exploration and discovery. The discovery challenges and inspires us, pushing the boundaries of science and human ambition. It calls on us to dream bigger, to reach further, and to imagine what's possible. The era of passive observation is over. We are no longer content to simply watch from afar. We are ready to act, to explore, and to engage with the unknown. We will send our machines, and soon, ourselves. The first human footsteps on Mars are no longer a distant fantasy, but a goal within our reach. We will walk the red sands, leaving our mark on a world that has waited billions of years for visitors from Earth. We will stand in the monolith's shadow, contemplating its meaning and the possibilities it represents for all humankind. And we will reach for the unknown, driven by the same spirit of exploration that led us to cross oceans and climb mountains. Today, that hill is on Mars. Tomorrow, it could be the first step toward a future among the stars, a future shaped by courage and curiosity. The next giant leap awaits, and this time, it belongs to all of us.